Hey everyone, so today we've got the Reolink E1 Zoom. So this is a new camera by Reolink, it's a new security camera and I was pretty interested in trying it out. I've been using the Logi Circle, the first version, for a while now and I want to see how this compares to it basically, but first we're going to unbox it. So if I turn it over to the back, as you can see, it's saying it's got a 5 megapixel camera. It can work on 5 GHz networks. We can pan, tilt and zoom. That'll be helpful. Two-way audio is pretty standard. SD card option, something I definitely want to try too. Again, the Logi Circle doesn't have that. It will save me having to rely on the cloud and stuff. And real-time alerts is pretty standard too. So anyway, let's open it up. So I'm going to break the seal. And thanks to Reolink for sending me this too, by the way. They sent me it for free. They're not paying for this review or anything, but they did send me the camera for free. So I'm gonna try and struggle to open this package up.
2 hours later. 1 eternity later. Finally!
So let's open it. Be prepared. All that makes me think of is The Lion King when I hear be prepared. Okay, so there's some information in here. Yeah, whatever. Let's see what's in this thing first. So I imagine it's just like an instruction booklet. Oh, there's a little sticker in here. Oh, 24 hours video surveillance, which I guess is a security camera. That kind of makes sense to put in there. I have no idea what that is. But anyway, putting this to the side, let's have a look in this thing. So, okay, I guess these are the wires over here. Yep, the charger and some stuff to attach it to a wall, which is pretty good. Anyway, let's look at the start of the show, I guess you could say. Oh, it's pretty big actually. Yeah, and this is the Reolink camera. Yes, it looks a lot bigger than the Logi Circle. See if it makes a nice sound. I guess that was okay. So yeah, that's everything in the box. Now to actually setting this device up. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to go and install the Reolink app, which is this one right here. And then just click install or tap install. Don't know why I'm still saying click. Okay, and then we're going to open it, allow, agree to terms and conditions, and as you can see there's nothing added yet, so we're going to go to the plus icon at the top here. So as you can see there's a QR code right on the bottom here. It's right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the phone just above it, and it's already found it, and yeah, it's attached to the camera. So we're going to plug it in, see what it does. Oh, as you can see there's a little light on the front of it right there, down there, and it's still flashing, so I assume it's ready to connect now. So we're going to, oh, it's making a bit of sound. So we're going to do
please run Reolink app, add the camera and set it up.
Okay, there you go then. Yes, I very clearly heard the voice. Allow, and
please run Reolink app, add the camera
wow,
and set it up.
It's loud. I mean, the speaker on the back isn't massive for nothing, is it? Okay, so I've typed my password in, and no, don't want to save it there. And now
please
apparently
run Reolink app, add the scan succeeded.
Okay.
Camera is connecting to your router.
Wow.
Please
I'm
wait.
definitely going to turn this down when it's finished. So
the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
Okay, so the scan apparently succeeded. Not that I needed to tell you that because you would have heard that. Well, yep, it succeeded. And
connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
Yeah, not that you didn't tell me already. So I have to enter a login password, which I'll do thanks to 1Password. I'm going to do next. Name the camera. I have no idea where this is going to go yet, so just, I don't know, I'm loud because that's all I can think about with this camera right now.
Reolink app, Add the camera.
And yeah, it seems like that's it. Well, yeah, it seems to be showing video in real time. Right there. If you want to move it around, I think it's this button. Yep, there we go. So you can move it upwards like that. So you can see my lights up there. You can move it down and left and right. And there's zoom, which you can kind of guess what zoom does. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. As you can see at the bottom, there's the SD card slot here, and there's an option to reset it, which you'd use the SIM card tray opener to do that. This was pretty much just a quick kind of unboxing and setup video. As you can see, the setup's really easy to do. And yeah, the app so far looks pretty great. There'll be the full thing in the full review. I just wanted to do a quick little, as I said, setup video and unboxing and all that stuff, just so you can get a quick little look at this camera from now. But yeah, if you like this type of video, be sure to let me know down in the comment section down below. This isn't something I do that often, this type of video, but let me know if you like it and I'll continue doing it. So yeah, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.